Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today we are putting the front suspension back on the Eclipse. I got new CV axles, and of course I got some new rotors that are drilled and slanted. So let's start putting the suspension back in. Okay, so we just finished putting on the suspension on this side. I also did the other side, but y'all didn't need to see that because it's literally the same thing. Literally the same thing. Uh, Now the suspension is in it. We're a step closer to test driving this thing and seeing if it's going to just completely, utterly blow up or not. I don't know what the next video is going to be. It might be test driving this. I don't know. We'll see if any more problems pop up, and if it does, then that'll be the next video. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I'm glad the process is coming through. I'm glad it's coming together, as they say. So anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. It's been great seeing this thing come back together finally after sitting for a good touch of time. But anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.